Hi, are you interested in improving your drawing skills? Are you interested in learning the drawing techniques that almost guarantee great results? I am conducting an online drawing workshop in which you will learn just that. You will learn the ergonomics of drawing, various measurement techniques required for drawing accurately, shading techniques for adding three-dimensionality, and the techniques of composing your drawing for maximum impact. My name is Mandar Marathe and my artwork is in collections of individuals and companies in 8 different countries, and I have also taught more than 11,000 students through my studio workshops and online art courses. This workshop is for you if you want to learn how to draw confidently and accurately and use the skills to advance your personal art career or professional art practice. Willingness to learn and to put in the required practice are the only prerequisites for taking this class. You do not need any prior experience of drawing to join us. So it doesn't matter if you are a complete beginner, a working professional, a homemaker, a student preparing for elementary or intermediate grade exam, or a student in an art college. I'm sure this workshop will immensely improve your drawing skills. This workshop will be held online, so that you will be able to take it from comfort of your own home. Plus it doesn't need any expensive supplies. So book your seat now and see you at the workshop. Thank you.